National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National This was a test of the tone alert systems.
Alright, CTP, thank you. Oh, finally. That was KHP36, this is WMG736. KCBT.
Distances from the transmitter will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warning reports and watch affecting the listening area. The 11 a.m. observation in Washington.
Alright, PHI.
Belt receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, Montgomery, Lancaster, and Lebanon. In Delaware, Newcastle. And in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WNG704 in Hibernia Park, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Here is the